Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about something that many of us struggle with, and that's learning to say no. We often find ourselves saying yes to everything and everyone, even when we don't want to. This can lead to feeling overwhelmed, stressed, and even resentful. So, let's dive in and learn how to say no. Identify your priorities. The first step in learning to say no is to identify your priorities. What's important to you? What are your goals and aspirations? When you know what matters most to you, it becomes easier to say no to things that don't align with those priorities. Practice saying no. Saying no can be difficult, especially if you're used to saying yes all the time. That's why it's important to practice. Start small by saying no to things that aren't a priority for you. Gradually, work your way up to saying no to bigger things. Be clear and direct. When saying no, it's important to be clear and direct. Don't beat around the bush or make excuses. Say no in a kind but firm manner. Remember, you don't owe anyone an explanation for why you're saying no. Offer an alternative. If you're saying no to someone because you can't do something for them, consider offering an alternative. For example, I can't help you with that project, but maybe I can introduce you to someone who can. This shows that you're still willing to help in some way. Practice self-care. Learning to say no also means taking care of yourself. Make sure you're taking time for self-care, such as getting enough sleep, exercise, and time for yourself. When you're feeling your best, it becomes easier to say no when you need to. Learning to say no can be challenging, but it's an important skill to have. When you're able to say no, you're able to prioritize your own needs and goals. So, start practicing today. Remember to identify your priorities, be clear and direct, offer an alternative, and practice self-care. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.